1-2. Find the length of a segment. Number 3. Find the length of the segment based on figure 3. A. Line segment MP. Let me highlight that in green. It is this piece right here. This red hash indicates congruency. So if you take a look, line MN is made up of 8. And there are 2 equal pieces with mark by that red hash. That means this is 4 and this is 4 because these two are congruent. They're the same. That's how you get 8 in total. If you notice, every line segment here is 4. Also, this line segment here is also 4 here as well. So from here to here, it's also 4. That's what that red mark means. They're all congruent. So line segment of MP, which is 4. And we also see that it has that red hash here, indicates that that's also the same. So that's also 4. Let's now look at NR. NR is this piece that is left over. Okay. So if you see this part here is made up of 4 plus 4 plus 4. This whole green part here is 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. So this blue line, we can write this blue line, okay, is when the 26 gets removed of the 12. So the 26 is the total, and we're going to subtract that 12, which is that green piece, leaving you that blue piece left over, which is 14. So that's 14 there. MR, let's look at MR. Well, MR is made up of the 4 here, plus this piece, which we determined that to be 14. So 14 plus 4 plus 4, that gets us 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Let's just double check that it's 22. Okay. So 14 is here. We add this 4, which makes 18, which add this 4, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that is correct. That is how you find the line segment